I have explained to them that Honorable Union Home Minister Sri Amit Shah ji has met them during the oath-taking ceremony of the new government. And Home Minister met Pradyut ji before election also. A series of interaction has taken place at the highest level. And in last week, you have seen the tweets of Maharaj, where he has said that Honorable Union Home Minister and he had a telephonic interaction. During the interaction in Agartala, Home Minister has clearly said that Government of India has a roadmap to fast track the solution, rather early solution of the tribal problem faced by the tribal people of Tripura. Now, it is just a question of patience. We all know how much Prime Minister has love and affection for the Northeast. We all know how one by one Union Home Minister Amit Shah ji is resolving all the problem. Tripura problem, tribal problem of Tripura is also high on his agenda. So I have requested Maharaj ji and Tripura Matha delegation to just have little bit of patience. And I am sure that soon the process will be initiated, and I have only requested them that please have full trust and confidence on our Prime Minister and Home Minister, and all this problem will be resolved amicably. Already roadmap is there. Tentative discussion has already been taken place. It is just a matter of time. You see, we have a very open interaction. Rather, to be fair, Union Home Minister had a long discussion with Maharaj Pradyut ji prior to the election and after declaration of the election. Some roadmap has already been laid down, but you need to discuss with all the stakeholders. So, Home Minister has said that we will discuss with all the stakeholders and we will resolve the problem, because tribal people of Tripura has some grievances and it is important to redress those grievances. But only thing that you need to have little bit of patience, you need to have trust and confidence on our Prime Minister and Home Minister. And I am sure that we don't have to wait for too long. Problem will be resolved soon. Process will be started soon. See, for me to give a time frame is not good, and it is entirely up to the Home Minister. But I know, because I was present in the discussion when the discussion, first round of discussion has taken place in Agartala. Home Minister is very, very keen to resolve the problem. He is very, very keen. Only thing I have told Tripura Matha people that please have little bit of patience. Please have confidence on our PM and HM.